Father Jaime Blanco Achacoso is popularly and fondly called Father Jim. He was born in Quezon City. Um, he studied at the Philippine Science High School. He graduated in 1970, and then for college he went to UP Diliman. He took up a degree in the Bachelor of Science in Chemistry at UP Diliman. He graduated in 1975. He took the fifth place in the board exams for chemists in that same year. So he went on to teach chemistry in UP, but then he had a different vocational calling. So he took his studies in philosophy, and after his philosophy studies, he went to Rome to the sacred theology for sacred theology at the Roman College of the Holy Cross. And then from Rome, he went to the University of Navarre in Spain, where he studied canon law. So he obtained a doctorate, both ecclesiastical and civil, in canon law. So that is what the JCD stands for. He is a doctor in canon law. And he finished in the University of Navarre in 1985 with the highest honors, sobresaliente, summa cum laude. And he was given the Premio Extraordinario for Best Doctoral Dissertation in Canon Law on the year that he graduated. He was ordained a priest in 1983 in Madrid, and he is incardinated to the prelature of Opus Dei, where he has carried out an intensive pastoral work. He had been assigned to Spain and Hong Kong, and he has been in Metro Manila doing apostolic work since 1987. He is a professor of canon law and general ethics, and he writes regularly on canon law matters for the CBCP Monitor and the Philippine Canonical Forum, of which he is the current editor. He has been the secretary of the Canon Law Society of the Philippines since 2001, and he was a founding member and treasurer of the Philippine College of Jurisconsults since 2015. He is a consultor of the Episcopal Commission on Canon Law and an ecclesiastical judge of the Tribunal of the Diocese of Cubao. So he is a promoter of justice of the Prelature of Opus Dei for the regions of the Philippines, Indonesia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, and Japan. So friends, we are very honored to have in our midst Father Jim Achacoso.